Now, good morning student. Today we discuss about arithmetic progressions. Question of arithmetic progression. Some of the first enters of NEP. Today we discuss the sum of first n terms of AP. क्लियर? तो यहाँ पे हम सम निकालेंगे, किसी भी arithmetic progression का हम सम निकालेंगे. तो Sn is equal to n by 2. n is equal to number of terms. E is equal to first term, number of terms, and D is the common difference. Where so Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So here is your first question. Find the sum of the following APs. Find the sum of the following APs. Here is the first question. Here is given the series. Write the solution here. Given APs is 2, 7, 12, 2, 10 terms. हमें जो हमें सीरीज दी गई है 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms तक का सम हमें निकालना है. तो first we find A is the first term is 2 and D is the find here A2 minus A1. A2 here is given as 7 minus 2 we get here is a 5. D is here 5 and N is given here 10 terms. How many terms? 10 terms. Clear? Now 10 terms here is given. So sum of the n terms of AP is now Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This one, and here is given that n is equal to here 10 by 2. Now 2 A's values here given. A is equal to 2 plus n here is given 10 minus 1 and D is we find here D is equal to 5. Common difference is 5. Now we solve this one. First 2 5s are taken. This one is a 5. Now 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 it means 9 into 5. 9 into 5. So this one is like 5. 4 plus 9 5 are 45. 9 5s are 45. And now you add this 5 into 49. Where 5 into 49, so what we get here? 5 into 49, 245. 245. Your answer is 245. Clear? This portion of this question number first, second, third, fourth, you can solve. If you face any problem, please tell me in your comment box. Clear? Now your second question. Find the sums given below. Find the sums given below here. Now we discuss here only the first one here. Here is given series 7 plus 10 over 1 by 2 plus 14 plus 84. 84, this one is the last term. This one is the A N R, this A N. Clear? This one is the first term. Clear? So we find here. Now look at the solution of this question. AP with the first and the last term is given. So assume that last term is AN. Last term is AN. That is there are only n terms. And find the value of n. find the value of find the value of n, then find sum of n terms by using formula as n is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Clear? So first we look at this one here. All things is given. A is given, last term is given, L is given, but here is not N. So first we find N and D. Clear? So look at the solution of this equation. Now this one is the given numbers are the numbers given series here. The given number here 7 plus 10 whole 1 by 2 plus 14 plus last term is 84. Clear? So here is we find here first term a is equal to 7 and then find d. So d we find here d is equal to we write is a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1, this one is a a2 and this one is a a1. So a2 minus a1, 10 whole 1 by 2 minus 7. So 10 whole 1 by 2 minus 7. So this one is first we simplify 10, 2 10 are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 minus 7. So let here the LCM here is 2. LCM is 2, 21 minus 1 2 is 2 or 2 7 is 14. So what we get here? 7 by 2. So we find the common difference of this equation. D is equal to 7 by 2. Clear? Common difference we find here d by 2. Now find the n. The n we find here, use the an is equal to what we write here, general form of AP. So this one is the right now here a plus n minus 1 into d, and an also given that an is given here, an is equal to here r is equal to 84. So an is given here is 84. Let here is an is 84 and is find now 7 plus n minus 1 and d we find here 7 by 2. D here 7 by 2. Now solve this one is find that 84 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 7 by 2. When we subtract this one, 80, what we get here? 77. 77 is equal to 7n by 2 minus 7 by 2. Now we find here 7. This one is goes that side. 7n by 2 is equal to 77 plus 7 by 2. Clear? Now 7n by 2. This one is here is LCM 2 154. 2 7 is 14. 2 7 is 14. 1 15 plus 7. So 7n by 2 we get here less than what we find 1161 by 2. This one is there. Now find n is equal to 161 by 2 multiplying 7 into 2. Clear? This 2 is cancelled. N is equal to we find here 161 by 7. 161 by 7. So what we get here? 7 to the 14 and 7 3 the 21. N is equal to 23. We find n is equal to 23. Now look here. Find the sum of these terms. So sum of n terms of AP. Sum of n terms of APs is equal to what did I have? Sn is equal to what this one is right, n by 2 a plus n, and the last term is 84. Now look here. Put the values of these. N is 23 by 2, and E is find here 7, and last term is 84. Now 23 by 2, and this one is 84 plus 7. We get 7 plus 4, 91. Clear? Now we get here multiply 23 into 91 to 23 into 91. We get here 2093. 2093 by 2. 2093 by 2. They are 10 whole. 1046. 1046. What will remaining here? 1 by 2. Clear? Rest of the second part's questions solved similarly. If you face problem, please tell me in the comment box. Clear? I help you. Now, the third question here. Third question is given here. And in an AP, first one is given A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50, 5N and SN. Just like question second, we discussed some minutes before. Now look here the solution of this question here, this problem here. Now A is given here is a 5, B is here given is 3, and last term AN are last term this one is a 50. Find N and Sn. Clear? So first we find here AN. So AN is of general terms of the AP. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Clear? So AN here is given that 50. 50 is equal to A is given here is a 5 plus N minus 1, and D we find here 3. D is equal to here is 3. Now this one is a 50 is equal to 5 plus 3N minus 3. So this one 3 minus, so what we get here? 3N plus 2 is equal to 50. 3N is equal to 50 minus 2. So what we get here? 3N is equal to 48. So N is equal to 48 by 3. 3 1 3 and 3 6 are 18. So we get here N is equal to 16. Now find the sum of n term of AP. So Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus N. So now we find here N is given here, and we find now 16. 16 by 2, and A is here 5, and last term is given here, last term is given 50. So this one is 16 by 2 into 55, and 2 8 is 16, so 8 into 55. 440 is your answer. 440 is your answer. Clear? Now see, here the second question here. Second question is given A is equal to 7, A 13 is 35, find D and S 30. Clear? Now see the solution of this equation. You find first we find the common difference D. Clear? Now look the solution of this problem. Now here is given that A is equal to 7 and A13 is equal to 35. A13 means 13 terms. So 13 terms we write this one is A plus 12D. Clear? A is equal to 35. So we know that A's value is here given. So 7 plus 12D is equal to 35. So 12D is equal to 35 minus 7. So we get here 28 and 12D. So D is equal to here 28 by 12. So what we get here 28 by 12. So 28 by 12. So we get here what we find here 4 3 ja 12, 4 7 ja. So D is here 7 by 3. We find D. Clear? Only one portion is remaining. Find N. So we find N here. How to find that N? So N is 13 is given already here. N is 13 is given here. So N is 13. N is 13. So now find the sum of this question. So find sum of Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus n. Clear? Sn n by 2 a plus n, and S13 n by the 13. So this one is a 13 by 2, and A is 7, and it is the last term L is L last term L is given here. L is here. This one A L this one A N R L. Clear? Is 35. So L is 35. Clear? Now 30 by 2, and this one is a 42. So 13 by 2 into 42. 2 2 is a 4, 2 1. 13 into 21. 13 1 is 13, 3. 13 2 is 26 plus 1, 27. 273. S13 is 273 is your answer. Clear? D we find here 7 by 3, and S is a find S13 is find 273. Two things are fine. This one is your solution. Clear? Now